G'day guys, it's Burgo here from the Nulon Motorsport garage, and today I'm going to show you how to service your differential. First, determine what sort of differential you have and what sort of oil it uses. The owner's manual will tell you. If not, check in a lube guide online. You're going to need some tools, jack and jack stands, correct size breaker bar or spanner to suit the diff drain and fill plug, an oil pan, an oil pump. All of these are available from your local auto shop. The oil is best drained warm, so take it for a wrap around the block a few times before jacking it up. We've got a hoist, but at home, use a jack and jack stand. It is important to make sure the car is level once in the air. First, check to make sure the filler plug is not seized and can be opened. There's nothing worse than draining the oil out and not being able to fill it up again. Crack the drain plug. Be careful of the warm oil, then let the old oil drain into an oil pan. Leave the diff to drain for 10 minutes to remove as much oil as possible before reinstalling the drain plug. Start by hand to not cross thread before making sure it is tight. Now is a good time to add any diff oil additives, such as the Nulon G70 Smooth Shift. Get your oil pump and start filling the diff. The filler hole is in line with the full level, so once it overflows, the differential is at the correct level. Most diffs take between 1 to 2 litres. Reinstall the filler plug, starting by hand, once again not to cross thread, then tighten and wipe away any excess oil with a rag. Check for leaks before putting it back on the ground. It's always important that you recycle or dispose of your oil in the correct way. There are plenty of oil recycling stations located around Australia. To find your local recycling centre, you can go to the Nulon website, or you can check with your local council on how to dispose of it safely and legally. So there you have it, you guys have just serviced your rear differential. As you can see, it's not too hard and not too time consuming. You've just got to make sure you've got the right tools and equipment with you to get the job done. So from myself from the Nulon Motorsport garage, catch you guys next time.